Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. I forgot to press a button just as I went live there. Anyway, we're all good. How is everybody this morning? Lovely to see you. Welcome, welcome, welcome. What a perfect setup this morning. Markets, huge sell-off after yesterday, and that classic look, the parabolic look, when you get this big sell-off in the morning after a day before, that's what you get, and it rises straight away. So hopefully you managed to pick something up there. I actually didn't. It didn't go to my all-time low. I didn't buy anything, but we did get a quite big swing. Let's see what happens as the morning goes on. All right, welcome, 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 everybody. Let's get straight into my trades, and let's see exactly where we are going this morning. All right, here we go. If it's your very first time here, click subscribe and ring the bell. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know you're here in the chat. There you go, and let's get straight into it. Who was here first this morning? Let me put all the members on the screen. We got ETORO, we got SO8AN. Good morning to you. Oh, SO8ON, not a member yet. Hopefully today you might become a member. 95% of our live viewers are members here on the show. Mike is here as well. Welcome, welcome. We have the highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube, live viewers to members. And if you'd like to be a member of our show, I will give you the link right now. You get many, many perks and benefits. Here is the invitation in the chat coming up for you right now. There you go. Whoops, a daisy. Oh, hang on a minute. What happened there? What happened there? Invitation to join. What happened there? Let me do that again. That's better. There you go. Invitation to join. Okay. All right. Power and Beauty, good morning to you. What a parabolic sweep up this morning. That's what we often get if we're going to have an okay day. Anyway, we had a massive sell-off yesterday, nearly 10%, one of my biggest losses yesterday. Anyway, let's go and see where we are right now. Down 1.51 overall. The S&P 500 is coming up. What, oh, Martin? Welcome, welcome. Why is the market down? The market is down because now after the employment figures, we had a massive debate about that. Of course, the Fed might raise rates again or keep at the 0.75. We wanted to see the unemployment figures be bad. They were great for the worker, but what's good for the worker gives the worker more money, which puts the prices up, which puts inflation up. So the markets are now pricing in perhaps a 0.75, and we'll know next week. We're going to report on the Fed live next week. Hello, Mike. Hello, Malk. Welcome. Mark Corn is here. Anyone want my flu? Oh, no. You ain't got the flu, have you? Pre-market, yeah. Pre-market was a perfect setup. It does this when you get a drop like that after the day before. Why is the market down? I think I answered that for Kidakazi. Anyway, I'm okay. I'm holding in, staying in the game. Let's see if we can get back up. There you go. Virgin Galactic's gone straight back up again. Virgin Orbit's preparing for the flights. Tesla's returning. I didn't get any deals this morning, didn't get any buys. Now, we've got some really big, important news. Really big, important news. Look at this. What do you see on the screen? Does anyone see anything different on the screen? I've got my Roth IRA and my traditional IRA. I now have three accounts on Robinhood. First to get it. There you go. There is my accounts on Robinhood. So we're going to be. I can buy shares and put them straight into my Roth IRA, and Robinhood will give me 1%. So, what do you think of that? That's a new thing coming out today. I don't know much about it. I'm learning it as we go. But anyway, so let's report on that now, because this is a big decision for me now. If I buy something, if I put some money in here in these accounts, I'm assuming, can anyone confirm with me, that I would receive, I think it's 3.5% on the cash. I think that's what they're paying, plus 1%. I'm not 100% certain. I want that clarified. So in fact, what I'm going to do, let's have a look right now. Let's make a short little video on this. Let's do it now. I want to ask if anyone knows. I will send this to Robinhood. So Hood, and we've just started the show at, where are we? We are just 5 minutes in. So Hood, 5 mins. Okay. Let's have a look at this. I don't know if anyone knows. Wow, not a bad deal. I know it's phenomenal. I want to know exactly what. So basically, I could have a day trading account, a savings account, and I've got 3 accounts now with Robinhood. Essentially, I can buy. I'm assuming I could do that. Anyway, let's make a quick video on it and let's discuss it. I think that's the case. Anyway. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at it. I want to find out if anyone knows the answer to this question. Let me know. Right. Okay. So I need to go into. Let me go into just. I'll just go into Robinhood just because. I mean, it doesn't matter what stock it is, really. Let's have a little look. If I scroll down here, if I want to buy something, yes, there. Well, it's. Is it on the screen? No, it's at the bottom of the screen. You can't quite see it. I'll leave it on that a minute. Okay, I'll leave it on that. Right. Let's have a look. Make a video on this. Did you add some cash to your account? Yes, I did. I got paid from YouTube, so I've added some money to my account. Okay, breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Roth IRAs and traditional IRAs are here from Robinhood. You now have up to 3 accounts on your Robinhood. So, we're learning today what this is all about. So, I'm new to this. I want your information in the comments below if you've got any more information. But we are going to discover this today and explore the options. So basically, I have 3 accounts on my Robinhood account. Look, if I go into my main account, here is my main account. I've just gone into Robinhood stock. Doesn't matter. But if I scroll here, you will see I have the brokerage, I have the Roth IRA, and the traditional IRA. So essentially, I'm assuming this could be my day trading account. It could be. I could literally just day trade with this one in and out. That would be very, very interesting. The Roth IRA, I believe up to $7,000 a year I can put into that. So I've got until the end of the month to fill this year up. And another one, a traditional IRA as well. So what do you think? If I want to buy, let's say I want to buy Robinhood right now, I can go over here and I can decide to buy it into my Roth IRA. So let's say I decide to buy it into my Roth IRA. Look, it's now going into the Roth IRA. So if I buy some shares, they're going in there. Now, why this is so interesting is not only do you now have 3 separate accounts on Robinhood, you have your day trading account if you want to use it for that. If you want a day trading account, literally in and out on the day, and I certainly would like that. It's one thing that's prevented me from day trading regularly on my show. I'm on YouTube right now, and I make a living out of doing it on YouTube. So that would be great for me. By the way, I forgot to ask. Please subscribe. Please smash the like button if you like this video. It shares it as you're watching it. There you go. Okay, but what it also allows me to do is to then decide for things like VU, Amazon, Apple, Coca-Cola, J&J, stocks like that I don't really like selling. I could buy those to go into my Roth IRA, and then theoretically I could leave those there permanently and have tax benefits. But here is the extra bit. What's really exciting with Robinhood, they will also give me 1%. Now, I'm assuming, and I don't know this yet, I can also put cash in my Roth IRA. At the moment, if I put cash in my account, it goes into my main brokerage. Now, if you're using margin, it just goes into your margin. You're not earning any interest. However, if you put it in one of your one of your Roth IRAs and you have two, traditional and Roth, you can then theoretically earn the interest rate that Robinhood is paying. I'm assuming that's how it works, but they will in addition give you 1% anyway. So if you put $100 in today, they will give you $1. It's like having a 401k, if you like, with an employer. They pay into it. They match it. Well, they match it with 1%. So to me, this looks very, very interesting indeed. Very exciting. It enables me to get free money from Robinhood with the 1%. Maybe now I have 3 accounts. I can also I can divide up my accounts from day trading and long-term investing with tax benefits. So at the moment, I've opened both. I've opened the Roth IRA and the traditional IRA. You are allowed to open 2, and you can do both every year. So theoretically, there'll be another one next year. And as we only have a month to go, or 3 weeks to go of this month, I'd like to find out all about it. Load it up if I can, put 14,000 in both if I'm able to do that, and get all the tax benefits, and of course the 1% that I'm going to get back from Robinhood, plus the interest. So what do you think? Anyone like this? I think this is very interesting. It's better than the banks. Mark Corns is commenting. It is better than the banks. It's why I invest in Robinhood as well as I use it on a day-to-day basis. So what do you think? Leave me, smash the like and leave the comments below. I'd like to get your thoughts on this. What do you think? And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, let's do a thumbs up. What do you think of this, guys? Is this good or what? Okay, there we go. Did I get that? Okay. Better than the banks. Good morning, everyone. Good morning on the show. Wealthsimple has that for earning. Did you add some cash to your account? Yes, not a bad deal, unfortunately. Hi, Ed. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Anyway, what do you think about that? Cheesy grin. It's always a cheesy grin with me. I always do a cheesy grin. You know what I'm like, Malk. Big smile. Always smiling. What can I say? So let me go back to here a minute. The overall portfolio is starting to come up. So what do you think? Sounds great, Shad. Good morning, Shad. We missed you last couple of days. We needed you on the what do you call it? The what's its name? We needed you in the Discord the other day. Anyway, so there you go. I like it. I don't know anything about it yet. I haven't put any money in it. I haven't put any stocks in it. Good morning, Ali Tisro. Ali Tisro, we just did a... you might know the answer to this. One of our gold members is in the house. Many of you are going to get gold badges in the next couple of days. We are one year since we started the membership program, so you'll be getting gold in the next couple of days. Most of you are yellow now. Anyway, if you've just tuned in, just scroll back 5 minutes and watch what I just said about Robinhood. I've just basically made a video on Robinhood. The IRAs are out, and we're just trying to find out how best to use this. Very exciting. 1% you get free from Robinhood, plus you now have 3 accounts. You have 3 accounts on one brokerage. My annuity pays me 3% interest. Nice one, Caden. So what do you think? We need to find out today about this Roth IRA and traditional IRA on Robinhood. What do you think of it? It gives me the opportunity to buy, when I buy my shares, I can buy them into my brokerage, my Roth IRA, or my traditional IRA. I can buy them into 3. And what I wanted to find out was, not only will I get 1% if I put them in these 2, that's 14 grand a year, 7 grand for each one. So we've got 3 weeks left for this year to put 14 grand in fill these 2 up. But also, not only do you get 1%, I'm assuming if you put cash in these, you will earn 3% or 3.65, which I think is the rate right now on your cash. And you can't normally do that if you've got any margin outstanding. You can't have cash earning any money. Well, with these accounts, you technically can. That's essentially what my video was talking about. So anyway, there's that. So anyway, let me have a look. I don't know the US system. Is it the same as the UK ISA? I don't know. We're learning about it now. We are learning about it now. I'm speaking to Robinhood this afternoon, and I'm trying to get some more information. Anyway, I think the Roth is good, but have to put in only after tax income. Not sure I understand what you mean there, mate. I think the Roth is good, but have to put in only after tax income. I'm not sure what I understand what you mean by that. Good morning, Martin. Can you give us more information on upcoming releases of the 2023 flight schedule for Virgin Galactic? I'm researching it at the moment. I'll bring it to you as soon as I get it. Love the additional 1%. Great to have separate accounts. Yeah, I know, it's great, isn't it? Because now I can have, essentially, a day trading account. It's what stopped me from day trading because of the lot system. Whereas now, what I can do is I can buy, say I want to buy VU and I want to hold it. I can buy it in there. So here's a question. Here's a question for everybody. We're coming up to tax season. We all want to post a loss in the tax season, right? Right? Just a thought. Just a thought. Let's say, for example, SPCE, right? I sell my SPCE right now. I'm down 6%. I post it as a loss. So listen to what I'm saying now, guys. I want your thoughts on this because this is now, look, for the very first time, we have 3 accounts on the Robinhood, right? So look, let's say today I sell all of my Virgin Galactic for a loss. I'm down $600. I'm down 6%. There it is. I sell it. That will post as a loss on my tax report. Ends this month, right? So my tax will be wiped out. I've lost money, right? Great, great. Pay no tax. Lovely. Post a loss. And then, this is the thing. Everyone listen to what I'm saying now. Buy it back immediately at the same price. So remember, if you buy and sell, you haven't lost anything, right? You're back in the same price, okay? So you post a loss on my brokerage account, okay? And then you buy it back exactly the same as you just sold for, 9744, sell it all, buy it back, but buy it in the Roth IRA, buy it back in the Roth IRA, and then what I would get then is 1% from Robinhood. They would put 1% in. So I'm straight away up. I'm not going to sell it. I'm going to leave it in there. Is that possible? Is that doable? What do you think about that? So you post a loss from your tax benefit, buy it straight back, and but buy it straight back in the Roth IRA. So you gain a 1% straight away. Does that, I mean, I don't know. Does that sound like a good idea? I don't know. It's something I'm exploring. Let me have a look. Let me read your comments. IRA is for before tax and tax deferred. The lot system, Malk, what the lot system is, it's called FIFO, first in, first out. When you buy shares on a brokerage, the default, and Robinhood is the same, if you buy a share today and you buy a share tomorrow and then you sell tomorrow, you are selling the share you bought first in, first out. So if the share you want to sell is the one you bought tomorrow, the newer one, you want to sell that one because for whatever reason that's gone up or down, that was a lower price or whatever. You want to sell that one. You have to contact Robinhood with an email and say, I want to sell this share. The share I bought, it's called a lot. I bought this share today. That's the one I want to sell. I don't want to sell the one I bought yesterday. And the reason why FIFO is the default is, generally speaking, it's designed that stocks go up. So you're selling the one you bought for the lowest price, which makes the maximum profit, okay? But in today's market, in a bear market, it goes the other way. You're catching a falling knife, right? So you want to sell, you might decide you want to sell the stock that you bought yesterday or the one you're buying tomorrow, or whatever. So you email Robinhood, and there's a set email they tell you that I use, that they tell you. That's what FIFO is. That's what the lot system is. You have to decide which stocks you want to sell. If I just sell today, it will sell the stock, the share the oldest one I have, the one I bought the longest time ago, if you like. Anyway, so that's that. Let me read this. Financials, keeping in mind he can use the money to invest in companies that could make 10 to 20%. Can't you have a separate account through your LLC? No, I can't. It's one account per social security number. So no, I tried to get a second account and I can't. So yeah, I agree, Shad. It's more of a deposit, safety deposit. Roth is for cash after taxes. Mike, not sure why you put your name in there. I'm not sure. Roth is for cash after taxes. 6 months. IRA is for before. Roth is for cash after taxes. 6 months. IRA is for tax and tax. I'm not really sure on these statements at the moment. Roth is for cash. US market closed today. No. The US market isn't closed today. Who's asking me that? That's not right. Is that 1% daily, weekly, or monthly, or yearly? Exactly. We've got to find this out. We don't know. Project Freedom, we're finding it out as we go. Roth is for cash. Right. The Roth or the traditional, you can put cash or stocks. Let's get one thing straight. This isn't just putting your cash in here. I now have 3 accounts on my brokerage. I can go and I can buy Virgin Galactic shares right now. Look. And I can buy and I can put them in my Roth IRA or my traditional IRA. See that? I can buy those shares and put in that Roth IRA and I will get 1%. That's what we're talking about. There is a rule against that, Martin, I think, 30-day rule. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I don't know. I mean, to me, it makes sense, right? Sell my Virgin Galactic now for a loss, buy it straight back. I'm allowed to do that. I've done that loads of times. I reset my account by buying and selling. It sets your average. I mean, it doesn't mean you've made money, but it looks like you have. If you buy and sell straight away, you wipe out your average, obviously, right? However, what I'm saying is, if I sell now, and that will post as a loss, I can then buy again in my Roth IRA or my traditional IRA. I gain 1% from Robinhood. What do you think about that? I'm not American, so not sure. 22 says, sounds crazy, but who am I and what do I know? Wash sale, 30-day penalty. That's why I'm speaking to Robinhood today, to find out, so I can let you know exactly. Can't deduct the loss if wash sale to take loss in not. Mike's saying it's a wash sale, 30 days. Can't deduct the loss if wash sale to take a loss in not. Mike, your phrases aren't quite. I'm not understanding what you're saying. Roth is for. Yeah, I'm not understanding these comments. Can't deduct the loss if wash sale to take a loss in not. I'm not sure what that means. I'm sorry, I can't understand it. Anyway, we are just 35 minutes ago. It's a very, very interesting concept. I'm not looking to buy anything today because I haven't reached all-time lows. But it will enable me to have 3 different accounts. And theoretically, I can open, well, not theoretically, factually, I can open up 2 more Roth IRAs. Sorry, 1 Roth IRA and a traditional IRA next year as well. So every year you can have 2. Every year you can open another one, and each one is $7,000. So technically, you could have $14,000 a year go into that. So effectively, I've got my day trading account and then my IRAs. Roth IRA, traditional IRA. Anyway, we shall see. We shall see. We're learning. We're learning. I don't know enough about it, but that's why we're asking the questions, right? Okay. Quick commercial break. Let's bring everybody up to date. Quick. Now, who was it yesterday who said, did I post in Tilray on Reddit? We've got a real Reddit problem right now. Reddit scammers, fraudsters, God knows what else. Who was it who said to me, did I post in Tilray in one of their channels? In other words, a subreddit, r/Tilray. Did someone ask me that yesterday? Phone in Discord. Yes, I will open up Discord. Let me run a quick commercial break. I'll be right back in just a couple of seconds. I asked that. Yes, 22. I did post in Tilray. I checked. I did. But I didn't say, come to my channel, here's my YouTube video, nothing like that, because that would be spammy, right? I just went, I'm really excited about Tilray. I think I see it going up, blah, blah, blah. That was it. No mention of my, I said, and I talk about it on my, I've made a video on my channel, something like that. But I didn't do a link or advertise to it or nothing. I just spoke generically. So anyway, I've got to run a quick commercial break. Back in 10 seconds. Here we go. Okay. Let's see if that worked. It may be if you're promoting your vids, etc. in subreddit. Yeah, exactly. I mean, saying I make videos on it, it doesn't surely that doesn't mean anything bad. I mean, surely, I'm just having a conversation. But no, I wasn't giving the links or anything like that. I don't touch Reddit with a barge pole. I can't believe it. Basically, what's happened, guys, I set up a Reddit account, and I am the most honestly, I don't scam or spam or anything to anyone. I understand that it's not a good idea to create an account on anything, whether it's Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, it doesn't matter, and jump into other people's accounts and say, look at me, I've got a YouTube channel. I mean, why would you do that, right? You know, the way to grow on social media is engage with people, make friends with people, right? Offer good contributions to their platform, which is why you talk to them. So I never, ever have posted my YouTube videos on Reddit. I've only had Reddit for a week. I've had it before, and I got banned before, and I don't know why. I've got no idea. So I set up a new one, Martyn Lucas Investor, and the subreddit is still there. The channel is still there. But my personal one, can someone check? If I give you the link to my personal Reddit account, I believe I'm suspended. But what's really weird is it doesn't tell me I'm suspended. It doesn't tell me I'm suspended. Look, there's my account. Go and have a look. Let me share it on the screen. Look, here is my personal profile on the screen. It doesn't tell me for any reason that I'm suspended. No idea. Here is my personal, look, there it is, there's user, Martyn Lucas Investor. There I am, right? Now, there's my profile. Hang on, profile. Yeah, there is my profile. There is me. Looks all good, right? I'm there, but something's wrong with it. I used to have social links. They're all gone. If I try to add a social link, it says I've already added my 5 and they're not there. If I go to post, if I post, watch this. If I go hello all, right? If I go hello all right there and I post into my personal profile, look, something went wrong. Just don't panic. It won't let me post into my own thing. Really weird. But, however, using this account, if if I go into my subreddit, this is what's weird. If I go into the actual channel itself, Martyn Lucas Investor, right? If I go into here, this is the subreddit, I can post. How can I post in here, but I'm a banned user? It makes no sense. Look, hi all. Look, this is one I created. I can post in there, look. Look, see? I posted in there. How is that possible? See? Weird, right? And there's the post. Look, there's my post. So I'm able to post in that channel, but I don't exist. It doesn't make any sense. Anyway, I asked, I don't touch Reddit. Hi guys, what did I miss? It may be if you're promoting your viz. Yeah, I'm not doing that. It's the most spammy, scammy place I've ever been. Full of startup cryptos trying to sell. Yeah. Sorry, nobody on Reddit goes by that name. See? And yet you've just seen me post, Shad. Isn't that weird? Probably clocked your IP address and blanket banning it. I heard this happen before. Why? I watch YouTube, I don't cotton on. Suspended. Look, there you go. Can I post a link or do you not see it? Can I post a link? Or 22. No, you can't post a link in YouTube chat because you're not a moderator. That's what Discord's for. If you are a moderator, then you can, but you can't. No. Basically, Reddit thinks you're spamming. I found the post. 10 different between a Roth IRA and designated Roth IRA is IRS Web. In IRS Web, just like the market. What is like the market? Anyway, so it looks like 22 might have some information for me saying, why is the market getting crashed today? The jobs figures came out last week. Yes, because they are now expecting, because the jobs market, the jobs figures were good for the workers. The workers are earning more money, but that's bad for inflation. It's bad for business. All right. So now people thought the Jerome Powell was going to come in at 0.5%. Some even thought 0.25. Now they're thinking, no, he's going to carry on with 0.75 because employers are still paying more for employees. The jobs figures was good. We want the jobs figures to be bad. That's how it works. And unfortunately, people are now fearing the Fed. That's essentially what's happening. Right, I've got a message here from Mike. Mike wants to call in, so we're going to open up the broadcast lounge and let me unmute it a minute. Let me just, Mike, you are live on the show. How are you? Let me unmute it a minute. Mike, you are live on Mike, the show. I'll have to mute you because you are actually coming through on
Can
YouTube.
You hear me?
Oh, that's better. Good morning, Mike. Welcome to the show.
Good morning. The only thing that I can contribute to that with the 401, the IRA and the Roth IRA, is the Roth IRA is money that you put into an investment or an account that has been already taxed. Like if you get paid $100, they take $20 off. For taxes, you're allowed to put the $80 in and never be taxed again for it. That's what I understood.
Yes.
The traditional IRA is money is deducted from your payroll. And actually what it does, they take the money out like when you turn 59.
Right. Yes, that's what I was reading. That's what I was reading. The Robinhood information suggests something like that. Absolutely.
Yeah. There's only like $20,000 in 2022 that's allowed for the designated Roth account, and $6,500 or $6,000 for the regular IRA.
Okay. So
That's what I've understood. But if you go to the IRS's website, they have what I posted there in the chat. They have the types of retirement plans, the minimum distributions, and all
Okay.
that. So that's very informative. Now it might be different with stocks.
Of course.
I don't know, but that's something new that I'm not familiar
Yeah,
with.
this
That's
is
all I
new.
can.
But can you see
Yeah.
what I was suggesting earlier? The fact that as I'm down so much, if I sell what I'm down on and buy it right back immediately into my Roth IRA,
Right.
uh,
Right. That's called a wash sale. That's why I've been trying to get you to look up the wash sale because there's a 30-day penalty. And that's what I kept getting stuck with.
right,
Like I would buy let's say I'd buy space
right,
for $10,
yep,
okay?
yep,
And I sold it for 12.
right,
Well, I had a gain.
right,
Okay. Now, this very same day, I buy space
yep,
and I buy it for 10 or $12
yep,
of what I sold it for, and it goes back down to 5.
okay,
What's happened is that now there's a loss.
correct.
If you do that within 30-day rule, there's a 30-day rule for the IRS penalty that you cannot take that loss if you trade that within the same stock or one similar even within 30 days. They will not allow you to take that deduction as a loss.
Oh, I see.
Now, that doesn't matter if you're just going back and forth all the time with trading, but
Sure.
it does matter if you've got a huge amount of money that you're trying to, like, let's say you made $2,000 on space and you lost $4,000
Yeah.
when you bought it and sold it back, and you're trying to offset the gain.
Yeah.
You can't do that within 30 days.
Got you. That makes sense. That makes sense.
And I'm not a tax expert, trust me.
No, but that makes
I've
sense.
just learned.
That's kind of what I thought. That's what I've heard and read before. So that's kind of that's falling into place now. But what I like about this is the fact that we've now got on my account. We're looking at the S&P 500 right now, and everyone can see it. I now have 3 accounts: the brokerage, and it said, "Do you want to open a Roth IRA or a traditional?" You can open both. So I just, not knowing anything about it right now, it makes no difference at all. I just opened both. I just ticked all the terms and conditions and opened both. And it said to me,
Right.
I can open up 2 a year, every year. So in January, I'm assuming there'll be 2 more I can open. And effectively, I could have a Roth and a traditional every year, for whatever. So what I like about this, Mike, is I can have a day trading account, so I can literally buy and sell on the day and always end up with nothing at the end of the day, a full-on day trading account. And then for stocks like, VU and maybe, Coca-Cola and J&J and all these things, I could buy those in my Roth IRAs. And what I understand is Robinhood is going to give me 1%. Now, is that 1% as a one-off payment? Is that a 1% per year? What is that? Do you know anything about that?
No, only thing
No.
I read about that was like the 1% for the year, I think.
Yeah. They contribute. Basically, they contribute. It's like, as I understand it, imagine you, like my wife's got a 401k, right? She got a regular job. And
Right.
whatever she puts into her 401k, her employer matches. That's a one-off payment. They match it once. They don't match it again. So I'm assuming if I buy $10,000 worth of Coca-Cola, something I might want to leave so it will grow in time and so on and so forth, then Robinhood will put in 1% of that. They just put that in on day one, 1%. That's as I understand it right now. So what you could do, because they're now paying something like 3.5% interest, I could put my cash in there if I thought cash was going to earn more than a stock. I could do that. Was right now, you can't put cash in. You can't get any money from Robinhood. If you're using margin, you put money in your account, it goes to pay off your margin first. You can't earn interest while you've still got margin. Obviously, you can't have your cake and eat it. Whereas with this now, you can. I could put in $10,000 in cash into one of my IRAs, and I'm presuming earn the rate that they're paying, which is 3.65%, plus they put a percent in. They match it by 1%. Does that all make sense to you?
It makes sense, but like I said, I'm not too knowledgeable about the
Yeah.
stocks in the IRA or
Yeah.
the amount of money that that you're gonna earn from the 1%. I don't know that part. I don't
The
know. I
Queen is.
apologize. I don't
No,
know.
that's all right. That's what we're learning. That's what we're trying to find out today. I'm actually going to speak to Robinhood this afternoon and find out. The Queen of Celebrating has just come in and she has just said they match it per paycheck, which would suggest to me they match what you put in when you put it in. So like
When you put it in.
Yeah, if you put in $100 a week as your paycheck, or I put in $100 now as cash, or I buy $100 worth of Coca-Cola, they will match it 1%. That's done then. That's finished. You're not going to get another 1% next year. But Queen,
Right.
so you seem to have a thought on it. Are they going to pay if I put in stocks, if I buy $100 worth of Coca-Cola, obviously they're going to put 1% in, so they're going to give me $1. So I've now got $101 of Coca-Cola, right? That's how it's going to work, I assume. And then obviously the Coca-Cola is going to go up or down over time. It makes money, it loses money, or whatever. And I'm assuming that dividends could be paid into the Roth as well. I'm assuming up to $7,000 a year. But what I want to know is, Queen, maybe you know the answer to this, if I put cash in rather than a stock, which you can do, I get 1%, so I put $100 in, they'll give me $1, right? So now I've got 101, so I'm up 1%, which is great. In today's market, that's brilliant. And then do I earn the percentage, the APR, the interest rate, if you like, on my investment? That's what we want to find out. And I'm assuming you would. Otherwise, what's the point? Anyway, Mike, thank you ever so much for calling in, mate, for your contribution.
Yeah, I didn't contribute too much there, but
You did. Yes, you
the
did.
The other thing too, I called E-Trade because I trade on both E-Trade and Robinhood.
Yeah.
And I looked at I asked about the wash sale button that was on their website.
Yeah.
And you can turn that button on and off to see exactly where you stand with the stock that you lost or gained on. And like what I was doing was buying space for $5, selling it for $6. Okay, I buy it back at $4, but my cost when I bought it was still like $7, $8, $9, $10 that I'd bought way back in April. And it was showing stock that even though I had taken off of the chosen lot list to sell, it's still showing those shares way back in April, February that I'd bought for some of them are 11, 12 and on up.
Right.
And so I called them and they said, yeah, that's just the cost basis.
Yeah.
And it's for the wash sale adjustment. If you don't want to see that, you can turn that off. But it
Right.
was very much confusing me
Right.
because I was losing money as I was making it. So
Right.
it was weird.
I've made mistakes like that. It looks, when you start investing on a brokerage, particularly Robinhood, which looks so simple, it looks so easy and obvious. And well, this all makes sense. But actually, it's more complicated than you think. And one thing that people don't understand, and I've had to learn to my expense, is the fact that the average is virtually a figure just for entertainment, really, if I'm honest. What I mean by that is the average cost only goes down or up when you buy something. It doesn't change when you sell. It doesn't automatically adjust. It doesn't go, okay, you've sold all these stocks now which you bought, 50% cheaper. Let me adjust the average. It doesn't.
No.
Did anybody else realize that? If you buy a stock for $10 and then you buy another one for $5, your average would be $7.50, right? Between the two, you got 15 divided by 2 is $7.50, right? Your average. And your average comes down. You go, great, my average is coming down. Brilliant. Your average started at 10, it's now 7.50. You buy another share and you lower the average again. Then you sell something, your average doesn't change. So it's not constantly adjusting. So all these figures that we have on the screen don't give the full picture of exactly where you stand.
Yeah, I found that out the hard way
Yeah,
too.
yeah, yeah. I was selling stocks for ages thinking, oh, look at this. I'm selling all these stocks. I'm making profit. I was selling stocks that I'd bought. Let's say I was selling space. I was thinking, right, I bought, I originally came in at $35, back in the day, right?
Right.
I had a share for $35. And then I was buying stocks at, 15, then it was 10, then it was 5, now it's 4. And I was selling some. What I was actually doing was selling my stocks at $35, thinking, well, I'm clever.
Wow.
No, I was losing money. However, if you've had that mistake and that has happened to you, it all comes out in the wash. It all comes out at the end of the day. Because if you've sold the one for 35 and you've got ones down here at 4, eventually you're selling the ones at 4. So overall, but it's very complicated. Your accountant or your CPA is going to handle your tax losses or gains or anyway. But even though you've technically made a loss, you have, but you've got the shares that you've bought cheaper still in the bag, if you like. Does that make sense, Mike? Am I making sense?
It sure does. I learned that the hard way too. But on E-Trade, they have the all the stocks that you buy listed, and you can close the lots out of the certain stocks that you bought. And I was still doing that. And then, but I still had that wash sale adjustment button
Oh,
on,
man.
and it was showing that I was, paying like $10, $12 for a share of stock that I had just bought for 5.
So the moral of the story, if
Learn.
yeah, keep learning, right? And
Right.
realize that this is much, much more complicated than it appears. Robinhood was accused of that when they first set it up for gamifying investing. Thank you, Leah, for my coffee. I've got Mike on the phone. Mike, say
Leah.
thanks. Yeah, thanks, Leah. There you That was in real time this morning. That was cool, Mike. So, the moral of the story is, if you are worried about all of this, because I know people are worried and concerned, they don't know what they've got, what they haven't got. Ultimately, statistically, it's proven over time, long-term investing will make more money. Long-term, over time. So if you just buy and don't sell, you don't have any of these issues with taxes, taking profits, posting losses. Just buy and keep contributing every week, every month when you earn your money. Try and buy the dips, save some money in cash, and when you see an opportunity, buy it. That's probably the most simplest, safest way long term. And when you reach retirement, your portfolio in 10, 20 years will be up, and then you can just, then you can worry about it then. What do you reckon, Mike?
Right. Well, when I was in business, I had a couple different IRA accounts set up. And of course, I lost all of them through the business dealings. I had to cancel them and, sell them out and pay the taxes on it and pay my bills.
Yeah.
But when I was employed by Lowe's, I had this first time I ever had a 401. So that was like free money. I mean, you can't beat it, but you have to be able to afford it to put it in the savings, of course. But I had that for 12 years and put 6% in. But when I took it out at 63, I think I took it out because of the 2020 crisis.
Yeah.
I lost so much money in it, and then I went back and sold it and had to pay the taxes, ungodly amount of taxes, ungodly.
Yeah.
I mean, and I know they have to, that's the whole principle of it, is that they're taking your money and investing it, and then all of a sudden you pay the taxes.
Yeah. So
it's a good thing, but it can still eat you up in taxes. Now, I didn't seek an accountant when I sold it. I probably should have, but I was scared that I was going to lose more and more, and I couldn't lose any more money in my life. I mean, I've lost enough.
Yeah.
But anyway, that's all I had to contribute. So,
well, Mike, you're always a great contributor to our show and everything you do for us. I've still got your soundbite to edit. Actually, I haven't got round to it. It's on my list to do.
oh
But
Lord.
I want to put it into the show anyway, but it was a great one. Thanks, Mike, for contributing to that. We're going to learn more. I'm going to speak to, if I get chance, I've got an appointment with Robinhood this afternoon to speak to them and find out, because I know everybody wants to know the ins and outs of this, how it really works. But it sounds great. We knew it was coming. They were promising it for ages. It does sound very good that Robinhood now enable you to have 3 accounts, technically another 2 next year, so 5 accounts. That way, I can day trade, if I want to do that. But just to finish up before I, sign you off, Mike, you've listened today to some quite complex information, right? It looks really simple when you're trading on Robinhood, particularly Robinhood. You're just buying and selling shares. Look at it. This is all great. I'm up, I'm down, whatever. But it's a much more complicated thing. At the end of the day, there's taxes to be taken into account, losses and profits and gains and whatever. It's not as straightforward, and it's just worth mentioning that it seems a really simple thing to do, just buying and selling on an app, but there's more to it. So if you are not confident and you are not fully informed, and that's why we're trying to learn all the time, if you're not fully informed, just buying and holding long term is the safest way of investing. I think most people would agree that it might not make you as much money. It may make you more, but at least you don't have to worry about any of these complications.
Hey, Martin, one more thing, and then I'll let you go.
Yeah, fine.
Let's say you've got 1,000 shares of space, as you do, or I think you have more, and tomorrow you could make $3,000, okay?
Yeah.
If you sold it.
Yeah.
It went up that much.
Yeah.
Take the profit. You're canceled out again.
Yeah.
You've got a gain.
Yeah.
You buy back. Hopefully it'll go back down. Not always, but hopefully. But that's guaranteed money that you took.
Correct.
At that time.
Correct.
So that's an income.
Correct.
Now you're going to buy back. You can either take the income, put it aside, or buy back in and buy more shares like you've done. But isn't that a good way to trade, is to take some profits off the top? I don't know. I mean, I've been watching this and watching you and listening to everybody. And
it is.
And I do think that that's probably a wiser move for me anyway, because I need the money quicker.
It is. I agree. If someone mentioned yesterday, if I'd have actually sold each time I'd made a decent profit,
correct,
my portfolio would be 100 grand right now.
Right.
It would. I was at Tesla. Tesla, I was up 2.5 grand. I'm now down 2.5 grand. Imagine if I'd sold Tesla when I was 2.5 grand up and bought it back now. Not only would I have made 2.5 grand the first time round, I wouldn't be 22% down now. I'd be buying it down here.
Right.
So I'd be ready to make money again. Yes.
Correct.
That is absolutely right. And yes, I would have paid the maximum amount of tax. My CPA told me, she said, ideally you want to hold stocks for a year. Obviously, if it goes up 1,000,000%, you sell it. All right, okay. But you will pay more tax in the first year if you make money. If you make money the second year of holding something, you pay a lot less tax. But my accountant always told me he would love a $1 million tax bill, because that means he's made 4 million. Don't be put off by selling stocks because you pay tax. You pay tax because you've just made a lot of money. So it's not a bad thing to get a big tax bill. If I had $1 million tax bill this year, it means I've made 4 million. So I've still made a lot more money than the tax bill, right? So don't be afraid to sell. So you're right. Why did I not sell? I don't know why I didn't. I can't go back.
Like Sick22, it just posted there in the chat, and I agree with him. But for you and your position, you might want to wait. I don't know, because you're a lot younger than me. But in my position, I'm going to have to try to recap this loss quick. And to me, that's the best thing. The other thing is to buy save my money and buy 300 shares instead of 10 shares of Google. I'll buy 300 shares of space and let it go up and make profit on that, because it's a faster profit than sitting there with Google.
Yeah.
When Google only rises or goes up slowly, but it
Yeah.
is an income stock.
Yeah, true. True.
Growth stock. Growth is what
We've often said on the show, no one ever loses money, goes bankrupt taking profits.
Right.
It's true. I mean, we've said on the show, and I've really thought about it, and I thought, should I do that? We've got 5 minutes to go, guys. I haven't forgotten the time. I've often thought about it. You shouldn't have passion to the stocks. You shouldn't be married to the stocks. The stock doesn't know you own it. It doesn't care about you. It's manipulated. It's scalped. It's traded. It's a number on a screen. Don't have any emotion to it. And that is very true. Don't think, I love Tesla. I love Elon Musk, so I want to own shares. You buy shares to make money, period. Let's get that straight, right? So I've often thought, why don't you set a number? If you put money in the bank, you're lucky to make 0.5%, at least the amount of money I've got. Market profit makes more, he's got more money to put in the bank. But average people make 0.5%. If you've put money on the stock and you're up 20%, that's a huge amount of money compared to what you would have had in the bank. A huge amount of money. Sell it.
Absolutely.
Don't even consider it. Don't even think about it. Obviously, the downside to that lovely, perfect scenario is, when do I buy again? Now, obviously, it's nice. Right. It's nice having an average of space at 493. If I'd sold it last week when it was 550, I would have made a profit or whatever. I'd now be trying to buy it back. Well, as it happens, it's gone down to 461. I could buy it all at 461. My average would be even lower. But
that's what I've been trying to do. Is just sell and then buy back lower and hope that it goes back up.
But that's the hard part, isn't it?
Scenario.
That's the hard part. Otherwise everyone would do that, which is what a lot of people are doing, which is why the markets do go up and down. What makes the markets go up and down is the buying and selling action. That's what it does. But at least that way, if I kept taking a profit every time it popped up, and then sold it, and then bought it when it went down again. Ultimately, if then the worst happened, and I'd done that 10 times, and I'd made 10 grand, if then my last 10 grand that's in it right now, as you can see on the screen, if it went bankrupt, things let's be realistic, I actually would be no worse off, because I've already made 10 grand, the 10 grand that's in it, the 10 grand that's in it, which goes to zero, I just go, okay, it went to zero, but I got my money out. Whereas I've not taken my profits yet. If that goes to zero today, I'm in all sorts of pain because my portfolio is down 10 grand. That's it. But
Right. You have to wait till it goes back up and then you feel better. But the thing is, you don't have to sell all of your shares, just a certain amount. And, just keep some in there in case for a buffer, But anyway, that's my opinion. It doesn't count much, but
it does. It does count a lot, and I sometimes question why I'm not doing it. Mike, always an honor. You can hear what's about to happen. Here we go.
Up the bell.
Great contribution, Mike. Thanks for joining in. Thanks for being here, mate.
Okay, guys. See you.
See you in a bit. Here we go. There was Mike on the show. How cool was that? I love when Mike calls in. Great contributor to the show. Absolutely awesome. You can be sat for 5 years waiting for 100%, but you could have had 100% out of 5 moves every week. 22. Very, very wise words. Very wise words there. Here we go. Just reading all the comments now. I always buy more, so I have 30% I can sell when we reach peaks. There we go. Anyway, here we go. The bell has now gone. Let's see where we go this morning. What an interesting morning, having Mike on the show, learning about Robinhood, the IRAs, the Roth IRAs. Let's go through the stocks and see where we're at. Okie dokie. Let's bring everybody up to date. Make sure that you click the like button. Here we go. The S&P 500 is down 0.28, starting to come back up again. Virgin Galactic is going back down again, 6.93, 459, 458. I've got a buy at $4. Virgin Orbit is on a wash right now. The overall portfolio is coming up. Tesla is coming up, 177. I'm down 21% still. Rivian is is down 0.03. Lucid down 1.33 and rising up again. I've got a buy in at $8. Arrival is how low can Arrival go before it gets delisted? It must be right on the edge. Amazon's up today. We had a nice little drop this morning. Apple is going up again, 0.11. Down 6% at the moment. Robinhood is down 1.28. McDonald's up 0.59, continually going up. Lovely. Coca-Cola going up 7%. J&J up. So we're moving into these safety stocks. Google are defensive stocks. Amazon is, Apple is down 1%, down 3%. Sorry, not Amazon, I beg your pardon. Google, I mean. Microsoft is down, but moving back up. Meta is down, but pushing back up, down 1.7%. SoFi is down 0.6%. IonQ is at point. It's moving as I'm saying it. I'll come back to it. Walmart up 0.41. So on that basis, then, do I sell all my Walmart? That's the thing, isn't it? Target is down 0.7. Dexter, hello everyone. How are you? Tesco is down 0.5. Canoe is down 0.3. Tilray is down 3.7. What's my profit on that now? It's 13%. There we go. Enphase Energy at 1%. Up today. Bitcoin SV is down nearly 2%. BTC is down 1%, nearly 1%. Ethereum is down nearly 2%. There we go. All right, the overall portfolio is diving again. And someone answered, did I add some money today? Yes, I did. I did add some money today. I had got paid from YouTube and a gig I did over the weekend, so I put some money in. Anyway, how do I invest? Someone said. Come and join us on YouTube. That's where we are right now. Links in the profile. Hi, Shad. Good morning to you. How are you? 22. Post if you can. Post is you can be sat for 5 years waiting for 100%. But you could have had 100% out of 5% moves every week. You're dead right there. That's a very good point. Very good point indeed. Lot of knowledge coming in this morning. Anyway, let's bring everybody up to date. We've got. Let's have a quick look at where we are on the screen. Let's see what's being searched. The market's crashing. We've had 94 people come through the show. Wow, that's a very big morning so far this morning. Lucid, Space are the top things. Everyone wants to know about Lucid. Is Lucid a buy? Is it going bankrupt? Look, that's been searched 793 times on my channel. That's massive for me. SPCE and Tilray are all getting a lot of searches, so they're trending on my channel. 5,705. There we go. Gain another couple of subscribers. Let's bring everybody now. We've got a really big audience this morning. We've got cash giveaways coming up. The portfolio is now rising. And we've got 41 watching and 22. We've got 22 people have liked the video. So could we do one thing, guys? Let's go over to the main portfolio a second and show you where we are. We're rising up now. All of a sudden, the markets are coming up, down 0.74. Should we change our strategy and start taking more profits? What do you think? I could have made a lot. I could be at $100,000 now easily if I'd done that. So what we're going to do right now, though, we might turn green in a few seconds. There's a lot of Fed fear with the unemployment figures being bad for the economy, or bad for the economy, bad for the stock market, but great for the workers. Two very different things, and we had a very hot, heated debate on our show. So here we go, 1 minute on the clock. I want to get 40 likes in 1 minute. That's never been done before. Are you ready? Here we go, 40 likes. I'm going to zoom in. We've got 21. It's going up at the moment. Here we go. Let's see if we can get 40 likes in 1 minute. Let's get this video shared to more people. I'm going to zoom in right now and let's see if we can get 40 likes in 1 minute. Here we go. We're at 25 now. Said a chicky 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 pow pow. Said a chicky 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 pow pow. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, say please stand up, say please stand up. 27, 28, 29. We're going up. Look, let's get to 40 likes in 1 minute. Here we go. We got cash giveaways coming up. At the end of the week, we got double cash prizes. We're very, very excited about it. We've broken through 30. Looking good. How many are watching the show right now? 38. We could get to 38 likes. Smash the like button. We've got 6 seconds to go. Let's get into the timer. Let's ring the bell. Whoops, a daisy. We've broken it. Broken it again. I keep breaking my own timer. There we go. Smash that. Do that. Press that button. There we go. Boom, 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 boom. What do we get? 31. There we go. Very, very good indeed. Thank you guys for smashing the like button. We're just about to turn green. Should I change my strategy? What do you think? At the end of the day, I'm holding. Is it time to change my strategy? Anyway, what can I say? We're up to date, but like 22 said, what you could have made in 100% over several years, you could have made very quickly on 5% trades. He's not wrong there, by the way. Mathematically, that makes perfect sense. This too shall pass. Baron Henley, what was the name? What was the news for Robinhood? I saw on Yahoo Finance. It was mentioned. I've got a video coming out about it shortly, but just rewind the first 5 minutes of the video and I explain it. But I will cover it more on the video that's coming out. If you take profits, you lose an asset you believe in. I'd say only if your views change, says Lights F. 5% is a good number, I think, to take profits if that's the plan. Exactly, says Mike. Let's have a little look here. On trade, check your portfolio. On trade, check your portfolio under profit and loss. You easily can see on the left of the screen the red amount is not wash sell and the red amount of the right sell. There you go. That's information from Mahid Farani. I believe that's right. That's for Mike. Anyway. You can lose that many 5% trades in a row. You can. Just want to point out, we're all talking about it going up when it can equally go down. So let's just get, But a profit is a profit, though. If you are up and you've made a profit, you've made a profit. There's no two ways about that. Anyway, the S&P is up today. We've got Virgin Galactic is up today. We've got Virgin Orbit waiting for the flight. That's going down. We get the flights posted on Wednesday. So the flight will be next Wednesday, and we'll be covering it live on the show. We're also covering Jerome Powell live on the show. Now then, if you've just tuned in this morning, welcome. We've got a lot of guests here this morning. I want to welcome all our guests in. My name is Martyn Lucas, World Piano Man, and we've got another premiere tonight from the TV studio. After we close the bell, we've got another... That was live, by the way. That's not a green screen. That's me live. Look, I'm sat here. Look, see? People often say, is that a green screen? No, it's me in my TV studio. And after the show tonight, we have another world premiere. Tonight, it's... I'm doing Adele. Yes, I'm doing Adele tonight. If you want to be there for the world premiere, it's in the closing bell after the show tonight. On my other channel, here is the link in the chat. Go and click on it now, and you can click reminder, click like, and this is what you will see if you do that. This is Adele tonight. This is where I am in my TV studio tonight, and I hope you'll leave a like. Who's the first person to leave a like? We've got 3 likes on it already. Have a quick look there. And who's going to leave the first comment in the live chat? And more importantly, who's going to leave a comment below? Mike is the first one. There's Mike. I'll be there, he said. That's our Adele world premiere tonight after the closing bell. All right. Okay. When is Jerome Powell's speech? It's the 15th of December. We'll be covering it live here on the show. So just be with me on the show. We're also covering the CPI on the 13th of December live at 7:30 in the morning as it happens. I just pulled over just to like the video. No way. Did you? Let me have a look. Not this video, you didn't. I thought you said you liked the video. It's still on 3. Anybody else in the chat? Anybody else left a comment? No, just Mike. Just Mike. Let me sort by newest to make sure I got that right. Okay. Let's have a little look. Oh, hang on. It's too slow. I'll come back to that. Right. We are now up 0.3. Let's go through all the stocks. We are up on the S&P 500 by 0.19. 0.2 now, we're rising quickly. Virgin Galactic has gone back up 0.21. I did add some cash to my funds today. I got paid on YouTube, and I also got some money from my gigs as well. Tesla is down 0.51 at the moment, but trying to push up. Rivian is up 0.79 today. We're up 1%. Lucid is down 0.12. Arrival is virtually bankrupt. I don't know how it can survive much longer. Amazon is up 1.47. Apple is up Apple is down 0.27 at the moment. I like your video, says Miguel Balam. Who wants to win a cash prize? We've got cash prizes coming up. All my new guests, I want to invite you to join me tonight for my world premiere on my music channel. This is the one. This comes out tonight. Or not Big River. That's the wrong one. That was last night's premiere. This is tonight's premiere. I'll post it in the chat. It's going to be a party when we do it after hours. Join me as we ring the bell, and we'll all jump into that premiere tonight. Join me, and I'm doing Adele tonight. It's an Adele premiere. Now then, if you want to be in our cash prize giveaway, we have cash prize giveaways every single Friday. If you'd like to be in our cash prize giveaway, here is all-time role model, says Guy and Kai. That's nice. I like your video, says Miguel Balam, and Guy and Kai says all-time role model. Well, what can I say? Thank you very much. Let me give you the invitation. You'll notice we have the highest engagement rate on YouTube. 95% of our live viewers are actually members. If you become a member of our channel, you get many perks. It's designed to benefit you. It's not designed to benefit me. It's designed to benefit you most. You get 20 times back what you put in. We're trying to grow the best YouTube channel in the world. There is your invitation to join. If you want to access Discord, here you can. Who wants to get double prizes this week? We're giving a cash prize away on Friday, and if you retweet the pinned post at the top of my Twitter channel, you could be in the chance to win double cash prizes. There is my Twitter. If you repost the pinned post at the top before Friday, you could be in for double prizes. How do you enter the cash prize draw? It's done through our weekly newsletter. It gives you a video to watch. I'm going to give you the link if you want to get the newsletter. Here is the link for the newsletter. It's on the all links button as shown on the screen. I've just realized that my ticker isn't running. Let me bring in the ticker. Hang on a minute. Where am I? I've lost my screen. Overlays. Where's my ticker gone? There we go. That's better. Here is the newsletter. If you'd like to get it, it comes out on Sunday, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT. There is the newsletter. If you want it, it's in the chat or below all the videos. Also, once you click on that, it'll bring you to this page here, and you will see the all links page. Let me share with you on the screen. Here you go. This is what you'll see. You then scroll down. It says all links. You put in your email here. You'll be emailed every Sunday, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT. But you need to verify your email, right? So it will send you a verification email. The verification email will always go into your junk folder because it contains the words cash prize draw. This is the email you're looking for in the chat. It's thedaytrader@martynlucas.com. Go and check that out. Verify the email, and you can be in our draw. We do it every single week. Every Friday, we give away money on our show. Okay, and if you retweet the post I just gave you on Twitter, the pinned post up the top, you could then, if you get picked out, you will then be in for double cash prizes. All right, here is again the Twitter post. Here is the Twitter, what do you call it? Pinned post at the top. Right, the overall portfolio. Let's go back to it right now and let's see who's with me. And bring everybody up on the screen. Who's just joining me? It's not lunch in my country. Jayan Kai, how are you? Done it now. Like the wrong video. Did you? How can you like all the videos, Andrew? Like all the videos. It's all good, mate. It's all good as far as I'm concerned. You can like all the videos. This was last night's world premiere. Some of you missed it. This was Big River last night. If you missed Big River last night and you want to see Big River, that was last night's world premiere. There it is in the chat. Right now, though, we are focused on Adele tonight. But anyway, we got Christmas songs coming out soon. Right, the overall portfolio is diving down again. The S&P is just gone negative again. Virgin Galactic has also gone down as well. Vorb, we're waiting for the news. It's just about to go red by the looks of things. Tesla popped up and straight back down again. Rivian is down 0.75. Lucid is down 1.73. Arrival is starting to push up. No, back down again. Amazon also going back down. Rose for a little while. Apple going back down 1%. I've got buys at 130. I wonder if I can get that. Okay, it's time to bring everybody up to date. We got a quick commercial break. I'll be back in 10 seconds from now. Here we go. Okay, I am back. If you saw the ad, good. If you didn't see the ad, why not? Okay, Dave Mottram is in the house. How is Dave Mottram? Welcome to the party, Dave. Lovely to have you here. Afternoon all. I'm good, he says. Dave Mottram. Let me see if Dave Mottram, who's in the chat right now, let's see if Dave actually retweeted. I think I saw his name pop up. This is Twitter. If you've retweeted, you've got a chance. It's the post at the top. It's the pinned post this week. There it is at the top. Can you see it? And I can click on it and I can see who has retweeted. And if one of you guys win, we've got 8 retweets. 8. There you go. Who retweeted? You guys have got a double chance to win. We've got Caden Youngquist. I'm following him. I will follow these people back if they confirm they are members. Hindley, Shadstream, Mark Korn, Stephen Lewandowski, Mike. No, Dave Mottram hasn't. I don't know why I thought Dave had. But anyway, that's all of my retweeters. If you retweet, you can be in the double cash prize on Friday. All right. No, I did not retweet as I don't use Twitter. Okie dokie. Fair enough. You don't have to use it. You just have to retweet. Anyway, it's up to you. Up to you. It's a way to double your money if you win on Friday. Dave Mottram was listening in 14 minutes behind. There was wondering why opening bell was just coming up. Right, if you are behind the stream, here's a top tip for you. What you do is you go onto the video. Look, right below the video. Right, here's what you're watching right now. Whether you're on mobile or a computer, it's the same. If it's red, you are live. Look, red. Everything's red. If you click behind, look, it's grey. See, it's grey? Look, all this is grey. And the live button is grey. You're behind the stream. Just click the live button. And boom, it brings you right up to date. You are now live. You will be up to date. Better for the cash prize giveaways. Better for the latest information. And it's a win for everyone. All right. Just happy to only win 10 bucks. That's funny. That's very funny. I like that. Dave says, I'm just happy to win 10 bucks. I don't want 20 bucks. I don't want 20 bucks. Anyway. The overall portfolio is going down again. What's going on? This was the day that we got two extra accounts on my brokerage. I'm speaking to Robinhood later on. We've got the Roth IRA and traditional IRA now added to my account. Very, very exciting stuff. There's more features being added to Robinhood. I can now day trade on separate accounts if I want to do that. Don't want to get greedy, says Dave Mottram. Hi, new today from England. Just found you after looking for space information. Really enjoying the channel so far. Keep up the good work. Bootsy187. Bootsy from England. I'm from Cornwall. Southwest England. This is my TV studio. Let me give you a wave. Hello, how are you doing? And if you become a member here, we celebrate your birthday. I reply to all your questions. I do polls for you. I'll review stocks for you. You can call into the show like Mike did earlier. Many perks and benefits if you are a member of our channel. And we have cash prize giveaways. Welcome. Would everybody please welcome Bootsy in to the channel? Where are you from? What city and country are you from? Everybody, please put your city and country and welcome Bootsy in. I'm from Weymouth. The Weymouth Pavilions. The Weymouth Pavilions Theatre I did for 7 years with a show called One Night in Vegas. I'm the world piano man and I toured at the Weymouth Pavilion Theatre in Weymouth, right on the end of the pier there. Lovely to have you here. And there you go. Tonight we are actually celebrating a world premiere on my channel. If you want to tune in tonight, we've got a world premiere if you want to hear my music as the world piano man. I'm doing Adele tonight, a song of Adele. Here is from Ghana. We got a guest from Ghana. We've got friends from Uganda. There is the world premiere tonight. It comes up at the end of tonight's show after the closing bell. Welcome, Bootsy. Hi, Bootsy. I'm from Birmingham. Weymouth. I think if I look on my phone, Bootsy, I will be able to find a picture of me in Weymouth. Let me have a look. Weymouth. I did the theatre there. Weymouth. Search for theatres. Weymouth. Is there nothing? No. Nothing's coming up for Weymouth. Never mind. I've been there. Don't know why. It obviously didn't grab the, the tag of the location. But that's a shame. I was going to share with you the theatre at Weymouth. Anyway, not a worry. From Ghana, welcome from Ghana. Okie dokie. Lovely to have you here. We've got a fundraiser we do for our friends in Uganda. If you are a silver member, we do 20-minute fundraisers for you where you keep all the money. We've raised over $1 million in this studio for our members on the Martyn Lucas Music Channel before we came here. And we do that for all our silver members. Anyway, welcome to all of you. The overall portfolio is going down again now. Look at it. We're reaching lows again. We haven't got to all-time lows. If we did, I'd be able to buy more stocks, but I'm not there yet. Welcome, Boots. I'm from Cornwall. I went to a strip club in Weymouth when I was 19. I love it. I watched Rocket Man earlier. Oh, cool. Did you watch Rocket Man earlier? Well, my aim is to buy all the shares of Virgin Galactic. I'm releasing a song for Sir Richard Branson, and that's my aim. And right now, I rank #1 on YouTube for Virgin Galactic. I was at the space station for Virgin Orbit a few weeks ago, if you want to check that out on the channel. And we're going to Virgin Galactic Space Station next year, and we're having a convention where all the traders, all the investors of the channel, all the family are getting together for a party. So hopefully you can join us. All right, stay tuned. Right then, I've just been asked about subscribing. How do you subscribe? This is information for you. This is how you subscribe to the channel properly so you get the breaking news. Here we go. If you click subscribe to our channel and make sure that you ring the bell, the reason why, and you set notifications in your iPhone or whatever to all, that way when I go live throughout the day and bring you breaking news telling you that a company's about to go bankrupt or whatever, or it's popped up, you will know. So make sure that you've rung the bell. You can go and click unsubscribe and subscribe again and make sure that you've rung the bell to make sure you've done that. That way you won't miss anything, okay? All right then. So let me see who's joining us tonight for my Adele. Here's the Adele. Let's have a quick look on it. Have we got any likes to the video yet? Yes, we have. Who's left a comment? We got 5 likes already for my world premiere of Adele tonight. And there we go. We've got Baron Hanley, Shin Dynasty have already left comments. Look at that. How cool. Thank you, guys. Top fans. Love you all. Andrew Grady's done it as well. There you go. Brilliant stuff. Okay. That's coming up tonight. If you want to be there, that's our world premiere tonight of Adele. We've got Christmas songs around the corner. The bell rung. Bootsy, I think you're behind the stream. Bootsy's behind the stream. He's just put the bells rung, and there's no way I can tell him. Can someone tell Bootsy to click the live button to make sure he comes up to date? He's behind. Anyway, do you know Woking? Yes, I also played in Woking, ETORO. The Minack Theatre. I've never played there, but I've been there for a little walk. What's your take on the Feds removing safe banking from NDAA? One Pizza, I don't know anything about that. If we can get some more information, we'll share it on Discord for you, or I can research it for you if you become a member of our show. How did it go down so fast? Bootsy's behind the show. You're behind, click live. Yeah, Bootsy's behind, click live. He's behind the show. Anyway, never mind. Not much we can do about it right now, unless he clicks the live button. Anyway, let's go back and let's check where we are. The S&P is coming up again, starting to rebound again. Virgin Orbit, Tesla, Rivian, Hall for Cornwall looks pretty swanky now. I did the Hall for Cornwall. I'll share you a picture of that if you want on the screen. Look, here we go, Hall for Cornwall. Well, we're watching Rivian, watching what's happening there. Hall for Cornwall. Have I got a picture of me outside the Hall for Cornwall? Let's have a look. Hall for Cornwall. No, they're all inside. They're all inside. There's no point showing you that. They're in the theatre. I thought I had a picture outside the Hall for Cornwall, but I don't. All right. Carry on going through the stocks. Lucid. Now then, if anybody wants, let me do a poll here because I don't want to waste anyone's time. Do you need the cash giveaway link? Cash giveaway link. Whoops, a daisy. Already in. Whoops, already in. Already got it. No. Yes, please. Okay, if you want to be in our cash giveaway, it's on our newsletter. We do it every single Friday. I'm going to ask you the question: do you need the cash giveaway link for our newsletter? If you already got it. If no, you don't want it, or yes, please, because you're watching and want to be in our free weekly cash giveaway. All right, there you go. I'll put that in the as a poll. Lucid is going back down. Arrival, 28. At what point will it get delisted? Amazon, I'm trying to buy it at 85. Apple, Hall for Cornwall looks pretty swanky now, says Andrew Grady. Robinhood is gone down. Virgin Galactic, we're looking at Virgin Galactic. It's going down 460. I'm buying it at $4. J&J is now up 0.24. We're holding that. Google, we're trying to buy it. If it goes lower, my buy-in for Google is at 83. So it's got quite a way to go. Microsoft, I've just had some dividends. 696, that's gone in the bank. Nice. My buy-in is at 205. Long way to go before I buy any more there. Meta, my next buy-in for Meta is, let me have a quick look, is 87. So quite a way off there as well. They're my all-time lows. That's when I buy more, when things go to all-time lows. Should there be a crash sale? Walmart is up 0.45. Target is also up today. J&J, let me just refresh the screen. We've seemed to have just lost it, so I'll just change screens a minute. There we go. Oh, we're back again now. We had a little bit of a glitch there for a moment. J&J has gone back up. Google, Microsoft, Meta. I'm thinking of getting Vail after you reviewed it last night, just waiting for a good point to get in. Good luck to you. Good luck to you. There you go. We're down 2.6, nearly $1,000 again today. Let me have a quick sip of tea. Let's see who's coming to the world premiere tonight. We got 6 people now who've liked the video. Thank you so much indeed. Sort by newest first. Who's left a comment? Bill, Baron Handley, and Mike. Thank you, guys. There you go. 6 likes coming to the world premiere tonight of Adele. Fantastic. The VIX is damn near 23, and we still still buying dips. Church of Logic is here. How are you, Church? Church is one of my mates. We've had some very heated, very passionate exchanges the last few days. How are you, Churchy? We are down again. My portfolio has had a cash injection. I put some money in from my from YouTube, and I did a gig last weekend, so I got paid. So I put some money in. That's why my portfolio is financially, the portfolio is up. But we talked about the Roth IRAs. I've got 3 accounts now on Robinhood. Here they are. My accounts are open, traditional, Roth IRA and brokerage, so I can now day trade. I'm talking to Robinhood this afternoon and learning more about it. CKR Rock pulled out of Lucid. You mean BlackRock pulled out of Lucid? BlackRock pulled out of Lucid. That's not good. That's why the stock is falling so much. But there we go. BlackRock has pulled out of... when you say pulled out, they were an investor. You mean they sold their shares? Is that what you mean by that? Yeah. He's running out of money. Who's running out of money? Yorkshire Tea, I hope. It's actually Tetley's, I think. Or is it? Yeah, Tetley, I think it is. Okay. Lucid, going down. Arrival. Bloody hell. Don't know how much lower it can go. 27 cents a share. Can you believe it? Amazon, Apple, Robinhood, McDonald's, 272. 3,900 test on SPX seems inevitable. Not really any support under that I can see. 22. Very concerned. Let's have a look now. Are we about to get some much, much bigger crashes? Let's have a look. The SPY. The S&P 500 is now 3.9. Let's have a quick look at it on the screen. Look at this. Getting very, very scary right now. Market's still going down. 3.937. Who'd have thought this? Santa Rally, is it still on? I think it is. I think we're having a big, big drop before things pull back. What do you think? We shall see shortly. Things don't go down forever. There's got to be a bottom at some point. It's mathematical certainty. It's all about remaining in the game, staying alive. Sound like flipping the Bee Gees. SPY below 391. Could see 381, says One Pizza. Now then, we got a few people here. We have 95% of our live viewers are members. Become a member and you will get instantly some amazing perks and benefits. Here is the membership link, and we'd love to give you all the gifts today as you get as a member. All right, there it is. McDonald's is up 0.46. Let's see what's being searched across our channel. Let's see what's trending this morning. There are 41 people now through this channel. This is looking good. We're up to 138 have come through the stream. Most people are looking for Lucid and SPCE. Lucid, of course, because of the news of BlackRock. And we've just gained another 4 subscribers instantly there on the channel. We've got 45 watching and 37 likes. Thank you ever so much indeed. So what can someone tell me? Queen, can you send me the information, please, about BlackRock pulling out of Lucid? We want to get that information out. That is very, very important. Can you send that to me, either Discord or here in the chat, whichever's easiest for you. Discord is better for me if you can. Or any of my researchers. We want the information about BlackRock pulling out of Lucid. I need to verify it. If I can verify it, I can confirm it in the show. What strategy are you using now? Guy and Kai. What strategy? I'm just holding everything. I can't stop poodling. Help. I can't stop poodling. Matthew Markland. What does all that mean? Martin, do you like poodles? Poodles are all right. Yeah. It's not my favourite dog. What a funny question that is. The Church of Logic doesn't look good to me. VIX far too cheap. S&P 500 is about to have a flash crash after the next rate hike. Flash crash for the S&P 500. I hope so. I would grab some if it went lower. I'd love to buy it lower, wouldn't you? Bounced off 3920 as soon as I typed that. 22. Okay. Let's have a look. The overall portfolio now is trying to push back up again. Douglas E. Doodle. That Doodle wanted me to ask. What? Douglas E. Doodle, the Golden Doodle, wanted me to... Oh, my gosh. Matthew Markland, I've no idea. I've no idea what that's all about. Lucid is a home run soon. Better buy it. That stock goes 15. You're up big. Lucid, I'm up. I've been buying it. I've been buying Lucid. I want the information, though. Someone send it in to me about BlackRock. Lucid BlackRock. I will Google it myself because no one sent it in yet. Lucid BlackRock. Let me see what I can find on Lucid and BlackRock. Apparently, they've pulled out. What does that mean? When was that? That was November 14th. That's a little bit low. A little bit late, sorry. YouTube, that's no. Lucid market data. Tool for tracking ARK Invest. BlackRock, one of the largest, November the 10th. I can't see anything at the moment. If anyone could find it, I will bring it up into play. But anyway, I've got a buy in at $8 for Lucid. Later, Andrew. School run. See you in a bit, Andrew. Safe journeys. Say hello to the kids for me. Don't forget when it's their birthdays, we can celebrate them on the channel. All right. Don't forget that. Very, very important stuff. Okay. How can I join your membership? Here. The moment you do, you get lots of gifts and surprises. You'll absolutely love it. There is the membership link right there. It's below the videos in the comments. Sorry, in the description of the video, and there it is there as well. And we're giving away a double cash prize. Does anyone need... 24% of you need the cash giveaway. 24% want to be in our cash giveaway. Okay, that's quite a good number. Lucid's going back up this morning after this news broke. People bought it in. Obviously, it went so low. I didn't get it any lower. I wanted to get it for $8, but nevertheless. So, for those of you that want to be in our free cash prize draw, it's free to enter, free for all. If you want to be a member of our channel and get all the perks and benefits, that's in the chat right now. But here comes the information for those of you. 24% of you want to be in our cash prize draw. For some reason, half of you don't want to be in our free prize draw. I don't know why. We give away money every single Friday. It's free money. And this week, we're doubling up our money. So here we go. If you want to be in our free draw, we give away, we share with you a video every single week in our newsletter. It's free to enter, free to subscribe for everyone. This is the link you need. It's a link to my all links page where you can get our newsletter. Let me give it to you in the chat. It's also below all the videos. There you go. Let me show you on the screen what you will see. You will see, if you click that link, you go to the All Links page. All Links has got all my social media, all my things I follow back, all my members. You put your email in there. It's a secure server, HTTPS. You can unsubscribe at any point. And so what you will do is you'll get a verification email saying, do you wish to subscribe to our free newsletter? If you don't receive it, it's because it's gone into your junk folder. It's gone into your junk folder, and it always does because it contains the word cash prize draw. That's how it works. There is the email you're looking for in the chat right now, the day trader at martynlucas.com. Once you go to your junk folder, you will find the email, click on verification, and then make sure that you whitelist the email so you'll make sure you receive it. You will receive it on Sunday, 8 a.m. Central and 9 a.m. Eastern Time, 2 p.m. GMT. And it puts in our cash prize video every week. It's a very short video. You watch it, leave a comment and a like, and you'll be in the draw on Friday. We do it every single Friday. We're giving away cash prizes all the time. Now, this week, you can, if you are lucky enough to be picked out, only about 10 people have entered, so you've got a 1 in 10 chance right now. You can double your money if you have retweeted the post on my Twitter channel, which is the pinned post right at the top. So if you win, you get double cash prizes. There is my Twitter channel if you want to follow me. And here is the post right at the top. You can see it on the screen here. Here is my Twitter. And there it is right there. There is my Twitter. And that is the pinned post. Look, see, pinned right at the top. And if I click on it, I will see who has retweeted it. There are 9 people who have retweeted it. So if you are Douglas Mancia, or you are Caden, or any of these people here, and you win, you will double your cash prize. There you go. And Bootsy and Douglas Mania, if you are a member to my YouTube channel, or anybody here is a member, I will follow you back. All right, any of you here, if you become a member. Now, Hendley, I think it was, I'm going to just double check. Is Handley still in our chat? I'm just scrolling up. Where is he? Hendley. I can't remember his name. Is it Hindley or Handley? Anyway, if you're in the chat, is this you, Hendley Max? Is that you? If it is and you're a member, and I think you are, I will follow you back. Another perk for being a member. Oh, there we go. Bill's just done it. Bill's done it as well. There you go. Fantastic. All right. All of you are in the chance to win double cash prizes. Back to the main portfolio. If you're over on TikTok or Twitch or Twitter and you want to be involved here today, that's how you get into our cash prize draw. Okay. Someone just asked me, how can I become a member? Here's the invitation to join. I'll give it to you one last time in the chat. There you go. Let's move on with our stocks. If you are a member, I can review stocks for you live on the show. Right. It's time for... We got day trader of the day. I've got to be out of here in 15 minutes because I'm going water aerobics this morning. I am back this afternoon. So let's bring everybody up to date. Click the like button under the video. Let's do day trader of the day and let's bring everybody up to date. It's a strange up and down day today. It is ETORO. It is indeed. Right. Skip the ad. I'll be right back in 10 seconds. We're going to do day trader of the day. Here we go. Okay, we're back with you now. It's now time for day trader of the day. And let's see how we go right now. Wow, 152 people have come for the show already. Very busy morning. Very busy morning indeed, in fact. We're nearly at 5,800 subscribers now. Very, very good indeed. Right, day trader of the day. Just before I give it to you, because I've got to be gone in 15 minutes from now, we'll be out of here. If you want to join us tonight for the world premiere of my Adele tonight, last night was Big River, tonight is Adele. After hours tonight, there is the music premiere. I'm the world piano man, and if you want to join me in my studio for the world premiere tonight, there it is. I hope you will. It's just one song after the show tonight. Let me have a quick look and let's see who has already left a comment. We've got 6 likes already. Thank you very much indeed. There it is. There's the video. And let me see who's left a comment. Bill and Baron Handley. Thank you so much indeed for all of you. That's the Adele video tonight. All right, time for day trader of the day. Hopefully you'll all join me for the world premiere tonight. Okay. Putin talking about nukes and market all over the place. Oh dear, oh dear. Yes, Putin won't nuke. Well, let's hope not, eh? Is the newsletter subscription free? Yes. Douglas Mancia, it is completely free. To win on YouTube, it is free. I do not charge you a penny to win my free money. I should, but no, it's free. The newsletter is free. You can unsubscribe from whenever you want. I share with you my trades, my tips. People can sponsor the newsletter for $10. A super chat, if you want to do a super chat, you can sponsor it. No, it's completely free, and in there it tells you what video to watch for the cash prize giveaway. All right, there we go. So Douglas Mancia, it's completely free. You don't have to be a member to receive our newsletter, no. But if you are a YouTube member, you get many perks, many perks designed to benefit you. That's you can be a member for $2 a month, $2.99 a month, I think is the bronze level. And for that, we celebrate your birthdays for you or your family. We've had Dexter Sickles here asked me to do birthday celebrations for his entire family. And I love doing it. We're here, and also you can call into the show. I can make videos on the stocks you want, review the stocks you want, answer all your questions, reply to all your questions, all of that stuff. You get many perks. Anyway, let's do day trader of the day. I've got 15 minutes to go. So everybody, are you ready? I'm going to post my score. I am down 1.85. Here we go. 1.85%. There you go. There's my position right now. Has previously targeted the likes of Richmond and Solvay and had an increasingly forcing management restructure at Danone. That just came in from Church. Bluebell, an activist fund and around 250 million assets under management that holds a tiny stake in BlackRock. Activist investor calls for BlackRock CEO think to step down over ESG hypocrisy. I saw Tilray Brands had a high start. Tilray Brands is, bloody hell. Look at what a drop that is. I'm still up 11%. I'm holding it. I see it as a $40 stock. I'm not selling it. I saw Tilray Brands had a high start. Yes, it did. I see it going up to $40. What are the chances going up with Biden signing the bill? It went up when he signed the bill, Douglas. You've already missed that pump. It went up. Look, it went all the way up. And some of my investors, traders, sold it at the top. I held it, and now it's gone all the way back down again. So I'm holding it. I expect it to go to $40 a share. Project Freedom, and the only reason he's doing that is because Trump will be the president, says Project Freedom. Okay, let's go back to the main position. It's starting to come up now. And let's go day trader of the day. We've got just a few minutes to go before we are out of here. So my score on the door is down 1.59. When the first person posts, we'll give you a 1 minute clock. 1.62%. Let me post that on the screen, and when the first person posts, we'll give you 1 minute. You ready? Okay, here we go. Day trader of the day. Let's see who's with me. Let's have a little look. 158 now through the show. Big day today. A lot of fear in the markets, a lot of stress, a lot of worry. Awful to see people so stressed like this. I hate it. Okay, here we go. Mike is the first person to post. So Mike is down 1.8. 1 minute on the clock. Here we go. So I'm ahead of Mike just slightly. I'm sure we got some people that are going to say they're up today. Let's have a little look. Thanks for all the follows over there on TikTok. Thank you very much indeed. Down 1.8. I think, is everyone behind the show? Down 7.7. Ouch. Crag, it's awful. Sorry for you, mate. Hold on in there, I guess. Down 0.2. Down 7.7. I'm winning at the moment. I can't see how I'm going to remain a winner, though. I'm sure someone's going to come in better than me. 16 seconds to go. We've got 10 minutes to go before we get out of here. We've got to roll the credits yet. Queen of Self Braiding goes into the lead. She's down 1.1. 1.1. That's a win right now. Ford and PLT are up. Church is up. I didn't see what Church's score was. Oh, Church is up 2.15. Church is winning again today. Fantastic. I'm so pleased. Church is making some money. Good stuff. Down 0.37 today, says Bootsy. Bootsy from England. Wayne, I think, was it Weymouth you said? Lovely to have you here. So the winner today, without a shadow of a doubt, is Churchy, who's up 2.5. I'm talking about popping... okay. Can't read that out. Douglas down 0.89. My portfolio on Robinhood is now Hood is low. I'm learning. That's fine, Douglas Mancia. No worries at all. Okay, it looks like Churchy is the winner. So let me thank Churchy for giving his honest trades. Thank you very much indeed. Thumbs up and a big round of applause for Churchy. Absolutely great. Fantastic. Nice one, Church. That's brilliant. Official claims Russian troops ready to advance in Donetsk. Pope compares war to Nazi death operation. Isn't that awful? Isn't that bloody awful? Yes, it is. Anyway. Plaid cuts 260 staffers at fintech customers see slower growth. Just reading out some breaking news for you here. China Fortune land set for offshore restructuring after hearing. As I get the breaking news, I bring it to you. Why is VOR being held down now the launch date in Cornwall is confirmed? It's how the stock trades. It's bloody awful. I will be selling it the moment it pops up. JP Morgan takes 70 million hit on Europe high yield trading desk. Okie dokie. Pete Barker. Let's bring Pete Barker onto the screen. And he's asking about VORB. And we've got the flight. We're going to cover it on Wednesday. It's supposed to be on Wednesday. And we'll be there live. Hopefully, one of our researchers will be there in Cornwall at the actual space flight, the launch. I was there when Cosmic Girl arrived in the UK. Hopefully, one of our members could be there when it takes off today. When it takes off on Wednesday. Down 1.89, says Ian Jackson. Looks like market wants to recover. The Queen celebrating. Calm down, my money is yours. I love it. Today is Wednesday. Next Wednesday. Not today. Not today. Next Wednesday, Shad. Not today. Next Wednesday. All right. Next Wednesday. All right. What's going on right now? The S&P is trying to recover. CVNY is rubbish. I played puts on that. Virgin Galactic. Canada hikes rate to 4.25 and signals potential pause. Signals potential pause. Canada. This is good news. Bank of Canada raises interest rates to 4.25 and suggesting a pause. That's good. Some more breaking news for you right now. Argentina low-cost airline doubles down on domestic travel. If I get any more information about anything new, I'll bring it to you as it happens. Virgin Orbit, the Church of Logic, send me the login credentials. I will. I love it. Tesla is down 3%, 174. I'm trying to buy it at 160. I'm not buying it until it does. Apollo CEO sees opportunity in liquidity crunch. Goldman update. You already got my credit card. Good golly. Flippin' X, says Church of Logic. We've got a bit of a romance brewing here between the Church of Logic and Queen of Self-Braiding. Take care. See you all tomorrow. Right, excuse me, as we just come to the end of the show, here is the world premiere tonight. This is the one. It's Adele tonight after the closing bell. Please go there now. Click like, share, leave a comment below the video. That way you won't have to do it during the premiere tonight. Leave a comment below the video, share it, and join us for the live premiere tonight, please. Won't you? That would be absolutely awesome. Who's left a comment already? Let's see who's left a comment. We've got Shin Dynasty, Bill, Baron Handley, and Mike. There we go, over there. They've already left a comment. Fantastic, guys. Thank you for that. Go and leave a comment there right now. And that'll be our world premiere tonight when I perform Adele. Right, roll the credits. It's time to go. I've got to get out of here. It's water aerobics day as the portfolio is getting crushed again today. Going down again. Down, down, down. There we go. Virgin Galactic is still going down. I've got a buy at $4. Virgin Orbit, I'm just going to leave it. Not going to touch anything. 160. Will it go that low? Tesla. Lucid. Arrival. Amazon. Everything's going down again. Oh, dear me. 165 came through the show this morning. The biggest thing that everyone's searching for is Lucid. I never got the link, Queen, for the for Lucid. I do want to get that Lucid information. Any chance I could get it before I go? I've got literally 3 minutes to go. I can make a very, very quick video. Down, down, down in a burning fire. A ring of fire. Yeah, maybe I should do a ring of fire. Good old Johnny Cash. Yeah, brilliant. Anyway. I knew who you meant. It is not verified. Okay, it's not verified. Okay. We need that information. We can't just be splurging out nonsense. This isn't the Meet Kevin channel. Go, Martin. Okay, it's time to go. Let me roll the credits then and get out of here. Bloody hell, look at my portfolio. It's bleeding like a open wound right now. When is the bottom going to come? When is the bottom going to come? The good news is, folks, I have not reached all-time lows. I've not bought anything today. So, even though it's bad, I've not reached all-time lows. So, we're giving back what we gained, but we haven't broken through yet. Roll the credits. Okay, roll the credits. Let's do it. Let's get out of here. Thank you ever so much indeed. Here's the music. Roll the credits. I love it. Here we go. I don't think much happened today, did it? Subscriptions, Song Paul, Douglas Mancia, Gail San. That is the public subscribers. We had many subscribers today. That's the ones who subscribe that are public. Not everyone shows their subscriptions. So that's the 3 that we had publicly, but it could be a lot more than that. In fact, it was a lot more. We didn't get any super chats. We didn't get anyone... We didn't get anyone today become a follower on Twitch or subscribe on Twitch. Remember, if you subscribe to me on Twitch, we give a cash prize away every first Friday of the month as well. That's an extra bonus. So for those of you who didn't do that already, here is my Twitch. Here it is. If you use Amazon Prime, Amazon will pay for the subscription, and the money I get in that, I give it away. There is my Twitch if you want it. Now, if you've entered the cash prize draw this Friday and you want a chance to win double prizes, if you retweet the post at the top of my Twitter channel, which is pinned to the top, and if you win, you will get double prizes. There is my Twitter right there. Fantastic. Right, that's it from me. Thank you very much for being here. I'm off the water aerobics right now, my daily exercise. I look forward to seeing you all back here for the closing bell, and hopefully you'll all join me for the world premiere of my Adele tonight. So here is my world premiere tonight. There it is. And if you want to go and check out last night's video, you will see it. It was last night's video. If you missed that premiere, it was Big River by Jimmy Nail. All right. That's it. What a great crowd today. 40 likes. If you've not smashed the like button, go on, smash the like button. Let's get 41 likes. Go on, just before I go. Get 41 likes. Go on, let's see if we can get 41 likes. Let me see. Can we get 41 likes? Mr. Mini-Me, smash the like. Come on. 41 likes. We've got 40. This is really great. We're seeing the channel get busier and busier every day. By the way, guys, we now not only rank number 1 for SPCE stock, there's something else we rank number 1 for. What was it? What did I just do? Oh, Tilray stock, TLRY. I rank number 1 for Tilray as well. Can you believe it? That's it from me. Till next time, see you back in a bit. Got 41 likes. Yes, we did it. Take care of yourselves and each other.